Today I'm going to show you how to draw Bluey from Disney Plus. So let's grab our supplies and some paper. Here we go. We're going to be holding our paper vertically. I'm just drawing Bluey's face, so I want to kind of imagine putting the eyes in the center of the paper. Start with an oval, place another smaller oval inside. Next, we're going to build out the muzzle. Draw a horizontal line away from the eye, bring it around and curve it up into a smile. Add your nose. The second eye is the same size and shape as the first eye, so I'm going to imagine that it goes behind the muzzle, but is the same size and shape. It looks kind of like a rainbow. Next, we're going to add two eyebrows, one over each eye. The head and body of Bluey is kind of like a giant rectangle, so I'm just going to connect the lines around to create the face and body. Make sure your line goes behind the eyebrows, not through them. Add two vertical lines to make one arm. The other arm comes out on the other side of the body, and we're going to bend it into a nice friendly wave. Add four fingers. The hands look like they're wearing mittens, so I'm going to draw a straight line across. And now we're going to add the ears, which are two pointy triangles. Double up the triangle on the inside and repeat. Next, we're going to add some of the polka dots. Remember to go behind the eye, not on top. To place two more polka dots on the back. And add a curved line across the belly. Now we can begin adding color with whatever materials you happen to have. There is a white line that divides the colors in the cartoon, so I'm going to outline those with my black marker. You don't have to do that, or you could do it with a pencil if you wanted to. If you only have one shade of blue with your crayon and you don't have any other supplies, a really good trick is to use a different pressure with your blue crayon. So if I don't press as hard, I will get a lighter shade of blue. I hope you had fun drawing today.